Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Game Plan? If you landed on this video, it's probably because you're in need of some advice. As entrepreneurs, business owners, and working professionals, we're all going through similar challenges, and I want you guys to use these videos to share your own advice and help somebody succeed. You know what to do. Drop a comment and tell us if you agree or if you disagree with this advice. Let's get started. Okay, today's topic is how to continue to lead when you're embarrassed of your past. Entrepreneurship is a journey, and while there will be many successes and many accomplishments along the way, it's not always a smooth road. Many of us have experienced failure, and in the digital age, that failure can easily be associated with your online identity. I'm here to tell you, embarrassment of your past mistakes can be a major hurdle, but it doesn't have to be a complete setback or the end-all be-all. And with the right attitude and willingness to keep learning and keep growing, any setback can be seen as an opportunity to become a better leader. Here's my best advice on how you can use your embarrassing experiences as a gateway to developing the key leadership skills you need to succeed. So while lots of people are chasing success, it's important to reflect on your past and remember that success is often found in the lessons that you learn from the failures. So instead of getting down on yourself, just recognize these experiences as opportunities to learn, to grow, and to become a better leader. Accepting your past and learning that it's the key to unlocking the future is the success. The ability to bounce back and keep going, even when you feel like giving up, is essential to becoming a successful leader. And understanding that you do have the inner strength to overcome challenging situations and that you can make it through anything. Don't let the things in your past control your future. Always remember that your current circumstances do not define your future. Believe that you're capable of achieving great things and that you can overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Have a positive attitude and outlook on taking chances and taking risks in your personal and your business life. Just because one door is closed does not mean the other one won't open for you. Make sure you keep your head up and keep a positive outlook on life. Sometimes when we experience things that feel embarrassing or we become ashamed of our past mistakes, we feel like we're the only ones in the world going through this. But little do we know, there's literally hundreds, if not thousands of people who have been through similar experiences and can provide advice and guidance for you. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you're wondering about something or you just need an answer. The best thing you can do as a leader is to be honest about your own mistakes and be open to learning from them. People will actually respect you more if you lead with integrity and you're open and honest with feedback. So doing so will help you become an even better leader by understanding people's different perspectives and understanding that failure should not be seen as a hindrance. Rather, it's a learning experience. So what are your thoughts? With these tips, will you be able to inspire and motivate others to overcome their obstacles? Let me know if you're currently dealing with this situation or maybe you've experienced this before in the past. Just message me in the comments below. And by the way, I'm giving my best-selling leadership book on PDF for free. If you want it, just go to my website, type in your email address, and I'll send it to you right away. And if you know someone who needs to see this today, tag a friend, hit like, and don't forget to give it a share. And until next time, guys, take care.